article I'm going to read is the Nazca Line of Peru. Flying over southern Peru, you may look down to see a flat red land covered in white sketches of hummingbirds, fish, monkeys, dogs, and plants. They are simple line drawings, but they are huge. Some of the biggest are nearly 270 meters. Who made them? Why? Experts believe the huge pictures, called Nazca lines, were built by the Nazca people of ancient Peru. They aren't certain when the lines were built, but they estimate between 200 BC and 600 AD. The drawings are so huge and beautiful that some people believe that the ancient Nazca people couldn't have made them. They believe the Nazca lines are clear signs that aliens or people from more advanced civilizations visited Earth and helped them. There is no other evidence for this theory. Many other experts and scientists have experimented using the tools of the Nazca people and have shown that the Nazca really could have built the lines themselves. The lines and drawings must have been hard to organize, but relatively easy to build. The basic process was to clear away the red stones that cover the desert to show the white earth below. That's why the lines look lighter than the land from far away. This brings us to another question: why would the Nazca people build huge figures that could only be seen from the sky? Perhaps the drawings were for their gods, looking down from the sky. Other theories say that the lines pointed to the stars and the planets, or to the source of water. However, there is no complete agreement on the purpose of the lines. As with many ancient monuments, we may never be able to say how or why, but we can still appreciate their beauty and marvel at the accomplishments of our ancestors. Thank you.